Hello, welcome to UNGER and our life hacks for the nLITE PowerPad. Let's get started. Today I will show you how you can quickly and easily replace the pad on your pad holder. First, remove the used pad. To do this, simply loosen the loops and pull the pad off the fastener. There are a few tricks to fit the new pad onto the pad holder quickly and easily. First, place the pad on a flat and clean surface with the cleaning side facing downwards. Then, place the pad holder in the centre of the pad to fit the velcro in place. Make sure that you do not cover the rinse bar with the pad. Now, reattach the two side loops to the holders and press the pad down firmly again. And that's it. The nLITE PowerPad is now ready for use again. Any other questions? If so, let us know in the comments. If you liked it, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and give it a thumbs up.